Hello, my dear friend. Welcome to our channel, Dream Hustler. My name is Mihaan. I'm from Canada. Welcome to this channel. So here in this video, without talking any nonsense, I will come to the point how you as a complete beginner can able to make your first $1,000 through online. I will give you step-by-step guidance in this video. So please make sure to watch till the end so that you will get perfect information. And at the end of the video, I will be giving you a wonderful kind of an opportunity where you can able to start your online business. Okay, so make sure to watch till the end. First thing that you need to keep in your mind when you are about to start your online business is first you need to believe in yourself. That is the most important thing. You know why most of the people, like 99% of people, don't start a business? They will feel so fear to start a business. Oh my god, shall I start a business or not? What if this will not work? What if I not got any money? What if I fail? So first thing is, please, before starting a business, don't get all these negative thoughts. Don't tell yourself what if I fail. First you need to believe in yourself, and you need to believe that it is possible to make money online. Okay, please, this is the first thing, first important thing. Believe that making money online is possible. And of course, I know that there are so many scammers, so many frauds will go in online. Like they will tell you can able to make money online. You buy this one, you will make money, instant money. They'll tell like that. So you need to, like, if you observe anything, for example, if you are watching this video, right, you will get, you will sense it, right, whether this person is genuine or not. So you should be careful at that point. That's it. But not every opportunity, not everything in online is scam. You can able to make money online. You can see this awards, right? This is of course my YouTube play button, but you can see this is the award which I got when I made my first $1,000. This award, this one, when I made my $1,000 in other program, I got this certificate. And this one when I made $5,000 US dollars in through a business, I got this certificate, right? I will show you clearly in other video. And I got so like two big certificates, like two big play cues I will show you whenever I got. So see, so not everything is fake or not everything is scam. There are some things which will work for you. But remember one thing, you need to believe that online money is possible, making money online is possible. Okay, so that's the most important thing. So the next thing, the step 2 is you need to find a business model. So there are 100 different ways where you can able to make money online. You can do Amazon, you can do Shopify, you can do trading, you can do stocks, you can do affiliate marketing. There are so many business models. In this, like among all these business models, I love affiliate marketing, literally. And I made all this money, all these certificates I got through affiliate marketing. Now, what is this affiliate marketing? Let me give you clarity. Affiliate marketing means, see, it is very simple. For example, there is in your phone there is a mobile application, right? Uber Eats. Uber Eats is a very common application. It's all over the world, right? So what is in Uber Eats, there will be an option for you like refer a friend. Okay, so if you refer with your link if you send your referral link to your friend, and if your friend sign up that Uber account with your link, what you will get, you'll get a reward, like maybe 10% off on your next order, or next order free, something you'll get reward. So that is nothing but affiliate marketing. It is, I'll tell you in simple words, affiliate marketing means you will be promoting a third person or a company product or a service. It can be anything. You will promote anything, like a product, service, application, or coaching program, anything you can able to promote. If there is an affiliate program, you can become as an affiliate, you can apply for affiliate, you can become an affiliate, and you can promote to the people. Okay, and once they purchase with your link, you will get the commission. It's very simple, straightforward business model. And if you ask me, Mihan, why affiliate marketing is really cool, why don't we do Amazon, or why don't we do any other business model? If you ask in that way, let me give you clarity. Of course you can start different business models, but there every business is like little bit complicated. Not little bit, it's more complicated. Among all those, I feel affiliate marketing is one of the best business model. If you are a complete beginner who want to make money online, or if you are someone who is not having like so much investment, then this is the good thing for you to start. Now I'll give you a basic example. For example, if you want to do Amazon FBA, okay, if you want to sell in Amazon, what you need to do is you need to first create an account and you need to contact to a seller who is in China or Japan. You need to contact to that person and you need to pay money, like you need to buy the products from China to wherever country you are promoting. For example, you are doing in India. For example, you want to sell products in Amazon in India or USA. So now you need to buy the products from China to India or USA, wherever you want to sell. So you need to buy the products. And if by mistake, if your product is not become successful, it means like if sales are not happening for the products you purchased, it is completely lost, because that the person who sold you from China, he will not take any products for a return. Okay, so that entire money is lost for you. So you need to be very, very careful when you are doing product research. So you need to do product research. You need continuously, you need to do product research. One product, if you selected one product and that product is failed, again you need to search for different product. You need to see so many statistics that it is so much complicated, and you need to use softwares like Helium 10, Jingle Scout in order to do product research in Amazon. So there are so much complications, and also you need to run ads. If you want to make sales in Amazon, you need to run ads. Okay, so in Amazon also there are different business models like wholesale, private label, and Amazon FBM also. But trust me, like comparing with affiliate marketing, it is really complicated. If you take any other business model, it's really complicated. I tried different business models. I tried Amazon FBM, I tried Shopify, I tried trading. So I tried different business models, but literally those are really complicated, and finally I stick it with affiliate marketing. And if you ask me why affiliate marketing, Mihaan, like can you tell me like why affiliate marketing is the better one? So if you start affiliate marketing, you don't need to create a product, because you're promoting a third person product which is already ready. The product is already ready. So all you need to do is you need to promote. So you're not creating any product here. And also you are not doing multiple product research. So you don't need to always research about the products, which products I should promote, because you'll be selecting only one product which is really good, and you can promote that product. And literally here there will be high profit margins. In affiliate marketing, you can even make $1,000, $500, 500,000, even $2,000 for one single sale, right? And the product is completely other person's. It's not your product, okay? And you don't need to worry about shipping, returns, or anything. Everything will be done by that person, the person who is a product owner. You are just promoting the product, that's it, and you'll get good commission, like I said. So according to me, this is the one of the best business model. And if you ask me, Mihaan, okay, if I want to start affiliate marketing, what are the products I can promote? You can promote digital products, because those are like you don't need to worry about the physical products, the damage or anything like that. Digital products are one of the best products that you can promote in affiliate marketing. And now if you ask me like Mihaan, if I want to start this affiliate marketing, how can I start? So you can start in different ways. Like you can start in through any affiliate program. For example, I will recommend you like to go with the one program, that is Freedom Accelerator, which is one of the good program. I learned I got all this knowledge about affiliate marketing through that program. So you can start with that program. I'll drop the link in the description, first link, so you can just click on that link. You can start with a 3-day challenge, like Freedom Accelerator's 3 days challenge, that is 72 hours challenge. So you can start with that challenge, and you can able to start your business. Literally in that challenge you can start from complete scratch. So what is affiliate marketing, how each and everything step by step you can able to establish your business also through that 72 hours challenge. So without any late, click the link in the description and you can start your affiliate marketing journey. Okay, so I believe you got some good information about affiliate marketing, and if you want more videos about affiliate marketing and how to make money online, make sure to subscribe to this channel and stay tuned. Okay, thank you so much.